welcome. I'm Sam from Salon IQ.
And I'm Ryan Fox from Umbrella.
So today we're talking about client selections within Salon IQ.
That's right, we've had quite a lot of questions about it on the phone recently, haven't we?
We have, just sort of getting the filter right, the criteria right, to ensure that you are actually targeting the right clients on the right topics that you're actually sending an SMS or email on. Obviously, by ensuring that those filters are correct, it is going to be more effective. You'll get a better response and then better results as well. So we do think this is quite an important topic that we do need to touch on.
Yeah, I mean, it's really important to focus it and target it when you're doing the database stuff. So, for example, if you're doing a We Miss You campaign, which is a classic one, a non-returning campaign.
Like a 50% off or something like that.
Yeah, to try and,
£10 off.
Yeah, that sort of incentive, one of those chunky incentives to try and bring back some of these people that you've lost off the end.
Okay.
So, for example, on that, the sort of criteria you're going to need for that type of thing is... you're going to need to choose whether you're going to send it on an SMS or an email, firstly, in the system. Then you need to only choose active clients, because you only want to attract those.
Yeah.
And then only target clients with no future bookings. That's a really important criteria to add. Because you don't want to, people coming in anyway, you don't want to target them and give them money off for nothing.
That's
a really important one. And then you'd have not had a service in the last 6 months.
So you've not seen them in the last 6 months?
Yeah, so that's a good sort of time frame to choose. So people that have not been in for 6 months. Mm-hmm. But if you just have that, then you'll go right back to your beginnings of your database. So it's also good to maybe clip that off. So people that came in the previous 6 months, but didn't come in the last 6 months.
Yeah.
So you're covering like a year there. And then obviously get a client count up and just see the sort of numbers before you.
And always with this, whenever I've done this before with salons, I've always found the client count quite a surprising number. I notice it's never the figure that I think it is, either way higher or a lot lower than I think.
Yeah.
So even just to do this just out of interest, just to see what figures you do get, I think it's a really good exercise to do, isn't it?
Good information to know,
Definitely. So give it a go. Even if you're not planning on doing an SMS or an email, go into the client selections within the database of Salon IQ and put those filters in and just see what results you get. And you never know, that might then push people to do it and target people with it.
Get some of those people back. If you do want some help with it, it's a service that I offer, but it's a paid-for service.
Yeah.
But if you want that set up, you can have that done.
Brilliant. And also, if you do it, let us know. Let us know what you get. We'd love to hear your figures. Look forward to hearing from you.